Hi, I'm Paul Lynch and I'm with Angela Pilgrim. What a way to start 2024. We've got a brilliant 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house in Hokowhitu. I've got the keys right here and I'm keen to show you. Let's take a look.
Welcome inside this beautiful family home. Here we have an expansive living area, flexible living spaces flowing out to wonderful indoor-outdoor areas. The kitchen's pretty cool as well. Let's take a look. Welcome upstairs. Here we have 3 double bedrooms. There's the family bathroom, the convenience of an additional toilet, an office space and one of my favourite spots, this perfect little reading nook. Welcome to the master suite. It's spacious, open plan. There's a tiled ensuite and come and have a look at this space. Perfect for relaxing at the end of the day with a glass of champagne.
Wow, so there you have it. What a fabulous house we have here. Look, if you'd like a private viewing of this property, give Angela or myself a call, or alternatively, we'll be doing open homes on Sunday, so we'd love to see you there.